hour. You can see it's about to clip northern portions of Lake Livingston there, right by Trinity and Onalaska. The Weather Service putting out this special weather statement for the next 30 minutes, so it's in place through 12:45. A special weather statement basically means that this thunderstorm is just below severe weather criteria, which is why it's on a severe thunderstorm warning. But they wanted to put an alert out because this storm, it's packing a punch. It's capable of producing 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts in addition to half-inch sized hail. So that's what we've been warning you about all week. If any storms pop up, it can quickly get out of control. And this is impacting Trinity right now. As it continues to push through, it's going to impact Onalaska soon, Livingston, northern portions of Lake Livingston. This is a ferocious storm pushing through, hail and damaging winds possible. You can also see thunderstorms back building behind it, College Station up through southern portions of Madison County. Other than this, though, we're not seeing a whole lot on radar. You can see here in the Houston area, so far we're staying dry, but as we go through the rest of the day today, we're going to continue to track more thunderstorms. I do think areas well to the north have the highest likelihood, but everybody can see some storms. Let me show you our future track. You'll notice things primarily to the north of Houston, but by 5 o'clock it's possible we can see a few pop-ups south of I-10. Now let's talk about Friday, because Friday is really the day to watch. Starting with the overnight hours, we'll begin to see widespread showers and storms, and this is going to linger into what I expect to be an incredibly soggy morning commute. This is 7 a.m. in the morning. Scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of these rainfall are going to be on the heavy side. We're talking a quick several inches, which means a slow going commute. Our morning show tomorrow, Justin Stapleton doing weather, Brittany Begley will be in doing traffic, and those roads are going to be a mess. You're going to continue to see on and off showers through the day, although I do think the middle of the day we could see a bit of a break before things start to ramp up again for the afternoon. That's because the actual cold front expected to pass through from the northwest to the southeast starting around 4 o'clock, really ramping up through 6 p.m. The evening commute tomorrow also going to be a mess, racing to the southeast, passing through Houston, finally exiting by 10 p.m. That means any Friday night plans, those really need to be indoors. We do have the threat for severe weather, but I think the larger threat is going to be our flash flooding risk just for the day tomorrow. 2 to 3 inches of rainfall going to be possible. Quickly, I do want to say there is a payoff with all of this. Saturday and Sunday, cooler air moves in. Saturday starts a bit cloudy and breezy, but both days low humidity, 70s. When we're talking about May, which starts tomorrow, by the way, we are not guaranteed weather this night. So make plans to get outside on Sunday, but for the day on Friday, all day you need to stay weather aware, especially if you're heading out on the roads. You can see temperatures next week climbing back into the mid and upper 80s before another cold front moves through. But Brittany, let's just go one cold front at a time.
Yeah, one day at a time. Definitely getting through tomorrow and all that.
Now put Harris County and most counties north of I-10 underneath a flood watch starting late this evening through late Friday night. Technically, it goes until 4 a.m. on Saturday morning. As a reminder, a flood watch means conditions are favorable for flooding to happen. If a flood warning is issued, that means you need to act immediately. The most important thing, plan for extra time on the roads. Flooded roadways are going to be our primary concern. And the reason why, we've got a stationary front overhead. This is going to continue to bring rain chances as we go through the rest of the day today, through the day on Friday. Let's talk about it because we are talking rounds of rain through the rest of the day today. Most of that rainfall well to the north of Houston. But as we go late Thursday into Friday, this is when the flood watch takes effect. And this is when we'll start seeing scattered showers and storms starting as early as 2 a.m. in the morning. I'm certainly expecting that morning commute to be a mess. 7 a.m. you can see showers and thunderstorms throughout the Houston area. Some of these can quickly produce several inches of rainfall. That's going to lead to the flood threat. And once we head through the day, we're going to continue to see periods of heavy downpours. Not a total washout. In fact, you likely are going to get a brief break around lunchtime before our second round moves in. That's going to push through Friday night with our actual cold front. So timing for this front pushing in from the northwest to the southeast, really starting at 4 o'clock, continuing to race through Houston, 6 p.m., 7 o'clock, and then pushing off towards the coast by 10 p.m. That means any Friday night plans, make sure those are indoors. Now, once we dry out, conditions are going to start to improve. But let me tell you, rainfall accumulation between now and Friday night, we're talking 2 to 3 inches, especially for locations north of I-10. That's why I stress flooding our primary concern, and we can't rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm warning or two with damaging wind and large hail being our primary concerns. That's because this is a strong cold front that's going to actually do a number on our weekend. Saturday, cool, cloudy, breezy to start. But as we head into the afternoon, low humidity, highs struggling to get out of the 60s. I mean, look at Sunday. Perfect. Low humidity, sunshine, mid 70s. Make plans to get outside on Sunday because this time of year, we're not guaranteed nice weather. We're going to be back into the mid and upper 80s by the middle of next week. But for now, the main threat is Friday. Stay weather aware.